I'm here today to introduce to you the newest of slide trucks. So the new slide truck, we made it a lot taller. So these riser pads. Look at these. There's no more need for so many riser pads. So you're more stable to the ground. You have more drive through your turns, and you got more control, more board feel. And that is the new slide truck. Let me tell you a little story of how slide came to be. Back in my hometown, Oklahoma, Texas. One day, I was walking to the store, and then I saw a pretty girl, but she had a boyfriend. But I punched him in the knee, then in the balls. I came in with my buddy Robert, the big guy. His fist came like this.